Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. In my YouTube channel, biomedical engineering related multi topics available based on my experiences I will provide. Okay, so real time hospital experience is very important while doing your job. Then what is the real situations in our work area? So everything I'm going to explore here. Okay, now today I bring it for you people one new important topic, that is medical equipment, that is operation theater equipment, that is CM. Okay, so CM equipment, see here in this live session, my intention is I want to give you very clearly information which is important and which is necessary to all biomedical engineers. Understand? I hope you got it right. So I hope you engage with my channel. I hope, thank you so much for supporting me this much, 12 views, 12 lakhs views. Understand? So 12 lakhs views successfully reached means that much support you are giving me. Okay, so that's why I'm showing interest. Given Sunday also, I come back here to provide the valuable informations, and as usual, regular basis, whatever new topics I'm bringing for you. Okay, right. Now today our topic is CM. Okay, Operation Theater Medical Equipment. So everything how look like and what is the functioning and what is what and everything practical experiences I try to give you in my live sessions. Okay, and these live sessions I'm going to record in my playlist. You'll get it all things in my YouTube channel. Okay, right. So let me introduce myself. I am Ganesh, State Regional Manager. Now I'm taking as responsible of the regional manager of the biomedical services in state level. So multiple states, multiple districts are there, and multiple hospitals are there, and multiple types of equipments, criticals and non-critical equipment we are taking handle, and we are leading the hundreds of engineers. Those are senior to and junior. Okay, senior, junior, and specialist, and different types of general managers are there in my team. So today I am handling so that much capability, so many things because of 18 plus years of experiences. So these all things every day, every year I have experienced, I have proved myself, and as a practical time, many things we faced. Understand, right? In anywhere, any engineer, anyone, only see learning process is very important. Implementing process is very important. Okay, how you are learning, how you are doing, how you are practicing, that is very important to improve your career. Understand, right? So that's why I have achieved all things, many things. So today I'm getting a good life. So that is the reason everyone should get it. Okay, let me enter into topic. And today I'm going to show you what I have chosen the topic, that is the operation theater department, medical equipment, C arm. Okay, C arm. When I'm saying, then you cannot understand because of you are a new person. Then I want to show you, man. I want to create a basic platform about the biomedical engineering services in the society. Okay, right. So in this, I have worked in different companies also, hospitals also, private hospital, corporate hospitals, and BMM project also. Now leading as a state level regional manager. So these all things. So within less time, I have achieved many things because of every day is I have focused about the career. I hope you got it. Yes, come with me. I will show you everything very clearly. And see here, my intention is I want to dedicate to this live session mostly freshers, biomedical engineers, understand, and whoever interested. And basic information is very important to all biomedical engineers. And here, what I'm giving here information, these all informations about the services purpose. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, if you are a biomedical engineer, you are appointed in a hospital or company, anyone, then you have to do your job. Then what have to find out and what have to be perfect. So those all points I have prepared in notes. And notes means, see, I'm giving information in this notes and explanation. Because of explanation, why I'm giving, because of explanation is in a practical communications. Because of nowadays we are not communicating with each other, yes or no, we are busy with our works and we are doing our job as a practical way, and we are participating very highly 100% because of job is our first priority. Especially our work is in a medical field, that's why we have to engage with our works in our time. So daily we are not able to learn new topics. And I am leading hundreds of engineers are there. Okay, so yeah, I am observing many different types of engineers. They are interested, they are doing well, but still they cannot grow their career. That is the reason I come back here to provide you this much information about this equipment. Okay, today I choose the equipment, that is medical equipment operation theater department equipment, that is C arm. Okay, now how look like and what is what, everything completely in details. If you watch my live sessions, definitely will get more information about my topic. Okay, right, come on, I will show you. Right. Now I'm ready to show you. Please try to engage and give me comments. And see everything going to record. Nothing to worry. Whoever not able to join this today is Sunday. Okay. Right. Visible as yes. It is visible as right. See here. This is my content today. Live session. C arm and C arm means X-ray system. Okay. So look like this, see here. So I will show you very clearly here. Completely focus on that my way of explanation and try to see my live sessions. Okay, definitely you will get many informations which is demand in the hospitals. Okay, right. Now here I'm going to read our live session. See here. Today, what date? 7/6/2026, 5 p.m. Sunday. Okay. So here Sunday our live session. Okay, right. CM complete practical and technical guide and parts and working, troubleshooting and maintenance. See here my intention in this live session, CM equipment. Okay, you can see here C arm, C shape. Okay, so everything I'm going to show you and next PPTs, every information is very useful in your life. Okay, so every biomedical engineer should have a these skills. See, even I'm Sunday also I'm engaging means it is going to record. If once record, that is permanently you can see and anyone can see and he can watch and get the information through my channel. Okay, right. Thank you so much and keep watch my channel. Please welcome back to my channel. Now today our topic is Siam. Okay, now everything I'm going to show you very clearly. Now I'm going to zoom this one. This is the intention of my topic. Okay, see here, first of all I want to show you what is CM equipment. Okay, how look like. See, I will go slowly and then you can understand very easily, and that's why see here, this is the C arm. Okay, C arm. First of all look at very clearly. Is it visible? See, I'm going to zoom this one, then you can visible. Okay, so these all information, sir, based on my real time hospital experiences, sir, and work time while we are doing job as a biomedical engineer time. So that time every point is very important, and here intention I want to give you every information, one to one, pin to pin. Okay, that is the reason I come back here. Okay, right. So my voice is very clearly right. Now first of all see here, before enter this topic, what is how look like Siam. See here, you have to focus here how look like. This is the C arm. Okay, this is the shape, C shape. See here, C shape, that is the C arm. Okay, arm, it works like a arm, but what is the functioning and which purpose, everything I'm going to show you and every part. Because see, first of all as a biomedical engineer, okay, I'm going explanation in work area, not college area. Okay, when you are going to do the job, before enter the job, then you have to know these all basics of the medical equipment. If you are junior also, please try to learn and keep in your mind. Whenever required, then you can do perform all things. Okay, right. Now see here, this is the CM equipment. I'm going to zoom, then you can visible it is very clearly. First of all see very clearly. See, this is the CM equipment, easy way to understand. Okay, here main intention is easy way to understand, simple way. Okay, if a major equipment, critical equipment also, if you have a concentration, if you have a clarity about your mind, definitely will get many informations in the work area. Okay, right. See, these all informations, it will give you a good salary also in your life. Okay, it is visible. Right, now I'm going to show you one by one part, then please try to note down in your book. Okay, and see here, this is the CM equipment, easy way to understand. Now see here, I'm going to show you very clearly. This is the what is the what part. See here, this is the X-ray tube source. Okay, first of all as a biomedical engineer, you have to know the parts and what are the functions, everything. That is my concept I want to show you. Okay, let me continue one by one. This is the X-ray tube source. See here, this is the X-ray source, tube source. Okay, this is the main important. And see, when compare X-ray and CM is live monitoring and live doing X-ray, live doing surgery time we can use. Okay, at what situation we will use, what are the applications? I will tell you. Understand? Right. First one is, see here, any CM if you take, these all things are basic common, but different is manufacturer is different and company is different, and some features will be different. But here monitor is there. See, monitor here, monitor is here, and these all things are common thing. Okay, right. Next point is, see here, C arm horizontal and vertical movement. See here, understand? This is the C arm horizontal and vertical movement. Third one, see, understand? Second one, see. So I'm going to zoom and show you first of all. Okay, actually these all information so you will get while you are doing the job or joining the job. When you communicate with your seniors, that senior definitely he will show you all things. And sometimes you have to observe all things, and by observing time, if you have any problem, then you have to contact your seniors, then get the information properly. Okay, right. If nobody there that time, then that time my YouTube channel it will be helpful for you, and whenever you free, please try to watch my session, and just try to get knowledge and try to improve your skills, and your life is your hand. Okay, I'm giving only advices. Right here, see here, second point, see here, image intensifier. See, image intensifier, flat panel detector. See here, if you take any CM, these all things are very very important things and available. Okay, right. See, these are the basic things, never change anywhere, any country, any state, any hospital, any in any world. Okay, in the world. So if you go anywhere, these all things available, but you have to find out what are the parts are there, and what is the function of that. Why placed on the equipment these spare parts. Okay, right. First of all, right. Come on. Keep watch my channel and see here. I hope got it very clearly. Now these two spare part, next foot switch is there. See here, this is the foot switch. You can see here, foot switch exposure. See, by operating purpose, everything I'm going to first of all show you all parts, and CM look like this one. This is the CM complete unit, complete CM system. Okay, right. Now here, see here, mobile trolley base unit. See, this is the mobile trolley base unit. These all things keep in your mind, because of whoever new persons, they you may not chances to know these things. That's why I bringing it in this way to show you. Okay, right. Now see here, ninth point. You see here, handles and locking system. Okay, so handles and locking system is a very very important things, because of to control the mission, and to operate the mission, and to control the C position also. These all things locking purpose very important. Okay, because of every component is very important, every part is very important, and here slowly very clearly I'm going to explain and show you. Okay, right. Come on with me. Let's join with me right now. Next sixth point, see here, camera position. Understand? Actually, these points regular basis who will operate operation OT technician will be there. That technician will handle all equipments and operating everything. Whenever getting problem, that time they approach the biomedical engineer. They will give the complaint that this is not working. Then how to attend the biomedical engineer and how to finish all things. Okay, right. And see here, control console or touch panel. See here how look like. This one is depend on companies, depend on manufacturers. It will be appear different way. Okay, because of different companies are manufacturing in different ways, on their own standards. Okay, right. Control console or touch panel. Next, see here, fourth one. See here, monitor live image display. Understand? One is live image, one is storage. Okay, one is live we can see, and then after image that it is so going to store. Okay, right? Because of this CM is using for living. Okay, live cases purpose it is using. Okay, which purpose, which cases purpose I am going to tell you. Okay, right? So these are the basic points of the components of the CM. Okay, simple way. First of all, you have to catch up it. Okay, because of out view of the CM, this is very important. First of all, because of don't confuse, don't get panic. Okay, don't know like I am a junior, I don't know like that. Don't feel like remove your mind all things and try to focus and try to participate and try to learn all things. Okay, very easy matter. Okay, right? Easy way to understand, see here out view parts, you can visually watch it and read out. Okay, first one is X-ray tubes resource I am showing, and second one is image intensifier flat panel detector. Next third one is CM horizontal vertical and movement. This one complete movement will changes. Okay, like next 360 degrees it will be move. Okay, right? Next fourth one monitor live image display, this one. Next fifth one control console or touch panel. Next sixth one camera positioning. Next ninth one handles and locking system, and eighth one mobile trolley or basenet, and seventh one foot switch. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right. So for you people, so for you all people, so today I'm going to show you very very important topic now. Now successfully completed this one. How look like equipment CM. Okay, and what are the parts are the basic parts. Next come here. I want to go the definition. Okay. First of all, what we have to know as a basic level. It is very very important. Now I'm going to read all things and very clearly. I try to interact with you all people is very positive matter. Okay, that's why I come back here. Take it positively what I'm saying and try to listen and see here what is CM. CM. Okay. Now I'm going to read the definition of this CM. Okay, what is CM? CM is a mobile X-ray. Okay, CM is a mobile X-ray imaging system with C-shaped arm used to obtain real-time fluoroscopic images during surgeries and interventional procedures. Okay, mostly in operation theaters only. See, actually, X-ray machines are out of area of the hospital like ground floor OPD like that area. But these CMs are placed in only operation theater. Okay, while doing surgery time, live time, it is going to use. Okay, right? And now I'm going to read again. See what is CM. Okay, CM is a mobile X-ray imaging system with C-shaped form used. See, with C-shaped arm used to obtain real-time fluoroscopic images during surgeries and interventional procedures. Okay, so what are the procedures I will tell you. First of all, let me finish one by one, and every point is very very important. That's why I'm going to explain, I'm going to show you and practical way what are the important, because of see write notes. So how to write the notes and about topic, because of learning is very very important. That's why I have procured and I have prepared all things, and based on my experiences this is only I'm going to give you. Okay, right? And next point is second one, working operation. Okay, so working operation is what? Simply you have to get the points, okay, without confuse. Working operation, first of all, power on the system, okay. Next, power on the system. Select patient and procedure and position CM around patient. Adjustable angular, orbital, and angular. This position will be fixed by the technician, okay. As a biomedical engineer, nothing to worry. But you have to know these all things, because of whenever getting problem when patient in critical condition, then doctor busy, technician busy, then you have to do operate. Okay, that is the reason I'm going to give you all things. Okay, right? Here see adjust, see here position CM around patient, and next adjust angle orbital and angular, and press foot switch for X-ray and live image display on the monitor. Save or store images if required. Power off after use. Okay. So here option also live you can operate the X-ray, and you can power off also, you can save the image, you can save, and you can reference purpose you can see after case also. Okay, everything going to store the data. This is the working operation. See here, it is very simple. These all things friendly. You have to, whenever you are doing the job, everything you have to focus on medical equipment. Okay, right. Now come here, principle. Okay, now principle of CM. Okay, right. I'm going to zoom this, then it is visible to you. When I'm going to explain, then try to listen all things. Okay. Here your work is only engage my live session and listen very clearly and watch my live sessions and what are the things note down. And if you have any doubt, just give me comments in my live sessions. Okay. So based on your comment, based on your doubt, after completion of my explanation of this session, before ending this session, I will give the time half an hour. Then I will check all comments and I will give the comments and I will reply. Okay. Right. Thank you so much for supporting me. Right. Come on. Next principle, what say? X-ray tube emits radiation, passes through patient image intensifier, and flat panel detector captures, converts to electrical signal to processed live image displayed on monitor. Okay. See, that's why first of all, I have decided to give you that is how look like equipment. What are the parts? See here. Here also see every part is mentioned. That is the principle you can understand very easily. Okay. See here. X-ray tube emits radiation to passes through patient through image intensifier through flat panel detector captures through converts to electrical signal. Okay, processed live image display on monitor. So this is the way. See here I am giving live sessions means try to listen and capture the things. Okay, and you have to implement in your day-to-day life. That is very very important. Understand? Right. Let me go one more topic because of for you purpose, for you all purpose. I bring multiple topics about this concept. So that's why I'm trying to finish all things and let me one by one go and explain. Okay. And next coming session also technical part also there CM versus CM. So in technically internal parts what are there, what are available, everything I'm going to show you. First of all, basic points as a experienced person, what are the things important? I try to show you. Okay. Right. Next fourth point see here major parts. First of all, you have to know these all points and see choosing is very important. Practice is very very important. Understand? That's why I'm giving in this way. Okay, very very valuable life. Okay, if you know technical way, definitely will get a good salary, good position, good job. Okay, right. See major parts of CMC here. It is visible. Major parts of CM. So now I'm going to read, see, X-ray tube source. Already I shown you, understand? When starting time image of the X-ray, X-ray that is CM machine, I have given the all parts. So you can find out there, okay? Right, and let me read out now. First point is X-ray tube source is very, very important, okay? Next major part. Second point is image intensifier or flat panel detector, okay? Right. Next third point, CM horizontal or vertical movement. Next, fourth point, monitor live image display. These are the major parts in CM. Okay, right. Next, fifth one, control console or touch panel. Next, sixth one, camera for positioning. Next, seventh one, food switch exposure. Next, eighth one, mobile trolley or base unit. Next, ninth one, handles and locking system. And 10th one, cooling system. Next, 11th one, power supply unit. Okay, so these are the major parts in CM. As a biomedical engineer, first of all, you have to know the operating, exposing, and troubleshootings. Troubleshootings is very, very important. I'm going to tell you. Okay, right? Come on. Now here technical specifications, what are they? Okay, now I'm going to zoom this, then it is visible to you. Now I'm going to read now 10th points here. Technical specifications. Rated power 2.0 to 5.0 kV and kV range 40 to 110 kV and MA range 0.1 to 20 MA micro M. Okay, fluoroscopy time 0 to 60 minutes means 1 hour. Okay, SID source to image 1000 mm and image intensifier 9 inches or 12 inches or 16 inches. That monitor size 19 at 12. Power supply 220 to 240 voltage AC and frequency 50 or 60 Hz and generator type high frequency mobility mobile lockable wheels. Okay, so these are the specifications. It will be vary sometimes because of depend on manufacturer, depend on companies, how they manufacture created things, that is depend on their companies only. Okay, so different companies are there, like LNGs are there, Siemens are there, so different top companies are there in the market. So those companies are provided the CMs. Okay, Philips also there, right? Okay, if you want to say, many companies are there. Okay, right. Now here technical specifications, basic specifications you have to know. Here focus is, see here, mainly power supply. Power supply, you should be connected to the UPS connection. Okay, uninterrupted power supply, it is recommended, mandatory, because of it is reduced the complaint from the electrical fluctuations. Okay, right. I hope you got it. Now come here, first of all, main point is here, as a biomedical engineers, listen to carefully here. Main intention, practical way, I cannot show here because of today in my home, so many things are not allowed to take the equipment from the hospital. Okay, so that is the reason, that's not a matter, please try to focus on my channel. Okay, right, everything I'm going to practical way. Now see here, come to the point here. CM, if not working equipment, then what to, sir? Okay, first question is, this is the main challengeable task, and these points you have to keep in your mind very, very seriously, and very, very please keep in your mind. If you are a junior, if you are a senior, if you are an expert, if you are a non-related person, anything, if you are doing job as a biomedical engineer, definitely you should know these points. Okay, for CM equipment purpose. Now I'm going to read now. Please listen to carefully, and please watch my channel right now. Next, if not working equipment, then what to check? First point is, see here, power supply or MCB or fuse. Okay, so their MCB also available backside of the CM, like console backside, one MCB trip will be there. Okay, you have to check all things. First of all, as a biomedical engineer, you have to check the all equipment complete side and parts, and what are the things available. Then okay, right. Next, second point is power cable connections. When, if not working situations, if you get the complaint from the hospital, not working means, then you have to check these all points. Okay, let me read out now. Next, first point, power supply MCB or fuse, and the second point, power cable and connections, and the third point, emergency stop button, and the fourth point, console power on or not, and the fifth point, error messages on screen, and sixth point, foot switch connections, and seventh point, X-ray tube warm up status, and eighth one, detector connections, and ninth one, CM lock release, and 10th one, cooling system or fan working, and 11th one, software or system reset. See, these all things you have to find out within fraction of minutes. When you get the compare, when you get the good experiences, then within less time you have to operate, and you have to get in working condition. Okay, because of that operation will be going to pending, waiting for you to repair purpose. Okay, whenever not working situations, that is the reason. Okay, I hope you got it. Next, see here, 12th point is required electrical things. See why I took a point wise, because of point wise you have to concentrate all things. Sir, I want to learn medical equipment, that is CM, sir, how to do, sir? If you ask one day question, then after day, if you not pay concentration, no use at all. Understand? So this much effort is very important. The dedication is very important. And if you want to get a, understand, if you want to get a proper information in your any job, anyone, you have to dedicate properly, and you have a aim in your life. At the end of the day, you will get the success in your life. Okay, right. So 12 points here, required electrical things, 220 to 240 voltage AC, 16 amps. Okay, socket. See, normal 6 amps are there, 5 amps are there, 10 amps are there. That type of small plugtops are not supporting to this CM. Okay, because of this is high voltages purpose, high voltages equipment, CM unit system. So that is the reason. Please utilize 16 amps. Okay, 3 plug is very mandatory. This is the required electrical things. The proper earthing is most important, and voltage stabilizer or UPS is very important. That's why I'm saying UPS connection is very, very important. Okay, very, very recommended also in OT. In OT, because of UPS, why? Because see, UPS unlimited power supply. So whenever power gone, whenever power fluctuations will come, we cannot imagine. Understand? So that's why we should be careful, and prevention is better than cure. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right. Thank you so much. Next, in 12th point, what requirement? Isolation transformer required, MCB, ELCB protection, and hospital grade power quality. Okay, this is the very, very important, and in operation theater you should be observe all things. Okay, right. I hope you got it very clearly. Next, 13 points here. Console, what will do? Okay, console. Like in CM, all parts I have shown. monitor, and CSAFE and console. Okay, so console what will do, I'm telling you. Okay, right. Control all functions of CM. Understand? Control functions. It is the main function of the CM. Okay. Select KV, MA, and fluoro mode. See, these all things depend on condition of the patient. Doctor will decide, and technician will be decide how much required KV, MA. Okay. Next, image brightness or contrast, and store or save images, and patient data entry, and system settings, and error indications. So main function is main operating like a heart of the mission, that is console. Okay, right. Everything, please try to listen all things, because of see everything I'm going to read and I'm going to show you. Time is very very valuable. I try to give the very valuable informations with lesser time. Okay, this is live session more than 1 hour, so I'm going to finish all things and I'm trying to give you all informations which is required to the CM equipment. Okay, right. See, whoever want to become a boss in your work area, then you have to follow these all things. Understand? Right. And regular issues, see here. As a practical way, what we observed as a practical way, because of see, these all things are not available in the any YouTube channel, and any Google area, any seniors also they may not give you. Okay, many rare people are giving, who are expected, who are dedicated, and see in India thousands of engineers are there, biomedical engineers, but lack of awareness is there. That's why I come back here to provide you valuable information through my live sessions. Okay, right. And see here, regular issues purpose, no power supply, no image on a monitor, and poor image quality, and put switch on work not working. These all things mostly we listen here in this. See, recently in my team also, my engineer, sir, CM not working, sir, in one district. I am working in this district, so in that district hospital, that CM not working, sir. What I have to do? Simply I say, sir, he told me, sir, I'm a junior, I don't know, sir. Please assign another engineer. I don't accept. Okay, immediately you have to do it. You have to do it. I will give the advice like in this way. Regular issues, no power. What you get the problem? No power. It is okay, sir. No image, sir, on monitor. Then what to do? I have explained very well. Okay. Next, poor images quality, and food switch not working. CM movement stiff, and error codes on console, overheating, and system shutdown. So these all things. So whenever using the equipment continuously, and not operating properly by the technician, not shut down the properly, and some electrical fluctuations will be there, and everything going to monitor, then only these regular issues we can find out, and we can give these solutions. And see, as a biomedical engineer, senior biomedical engineer, so many types of complaints we have received, and practical way we have proved, and we have provided the services, and we have the awarded for these services. Okay, right. That's why I come back here to provide the valuable information. Right, 14 see here. Next point is I want to show you 15th point. See here. If I show you normal information, then you cannot understand. Okay, that's why I'm giving explanation. I'm trying to engage with you all peoples, and at the same time I'm giving more informations about the CM equipment. Okay, right. Now common problems, see here. Okay, so common problems, no X-ray exposure, and intermittent image, next image fluctuation, and lines on monitor, and CM not moving smoothly, and food switch failure, and detector communication error. See, these all things, for biomedical engineer responsible, you have to check the equipment first of all. Okay, before enter into the operation theater, you have to follow the protocols and dressings, everything, and you have to communicate with technician what problem is there, what you face. Try to communicate by using telecommunication, then try to give the resolution. Okay, and maximum solution will be complete. And sometimes if it is not possible, then you have to go and check it all things first of all, power supply and PCB and MCB, and all connections are everything is fine or not, and all parts are okay or not. Next, everything settings are okay or not, then you have to restart the equipment with the permission of the technician. Okay, so that is very very important. Without doing conversation of the hospital staff, you don't do anything, because of this is the live monitoring equipment. That's why it is depend on this only case is going to postpone. Okay, operation live case is waiting, so that's why don't take any individual actions. If you have a confident, and get the communication, and try to get the all things, and get the things, and find out the issues, and try to resolve. Okay, right. Next point, see here, 16th point, technical errors. So technical errors are very rare come, understand. Technical errors are very rare come, because of if new equipment up to 5 years warranty, and this lifespan also up to 10 years it will be there, depend on standard, depend on company, ISO. So that is the based on that it will be manufactured, it will be decided. Okay, now I'm going to say technical errors example. First of all, see, these errors are very rare conditions. Okay, this type of complaints errors you may not get regular basis, but in my life, up to 18 years of experiences, I have worked in hospitals, companies, and these all things. So that's why so many times, more than 100 times, I got this type of complaints in different areas and different hospitals all over the experiences. Okay, so that's why I took the point in this way. First one is technical error one, communication error. Technical error two, over voltage. Technical error three, tube overheat. And technical error four, detector error. And technical error five, food switch error. Technical error six, generator fault. And technical error seven, cooling fan error. Okay, so these all parts you may not visible in this equipment what I shown you. Okay, for this purpose, internal view of the CM I will show you. Then you can understand, and then you can know many parts. I hope you get very clearly. Okay, right. See, these are all not theoretical part. These are all practical part only. But live session purpose and try to give share with you all purpose. These all things I have prepared in a practical way. Okay, right. Now 17 points here, locking system. Okay, so before that I have shown in my CM equipment picture there, locking system I have explained. Okay, so that is the thing here. That's why every part is you have to keep in your mind. That is very important to provide the services in your work area. Okay, smartly. Next, locking system. See here, CM has mechanical locks, always lock while moving, unlock before movement, and lock for positioning and holding, and pedal knob based locking, improper lock image shifting. Okay, lock is what lock, what is the purpose of lock? Because of we have to lock the system. Understand? So that is the system locking purpose. Mechanically, it is available in this YAM. Okay. So in software based also we can operate by using the control panel console. We can operate this. We can stop also. Okay. That is the advanced technology in CM. Right, come here. Next point is C section important. See, C arm is by name only C arm look like. Okay, when you see that console, monitor, and C arm main parts, you it is visible, and foot switch and communication cable. Okay, now see here, come to the point. Here I want to show you. I want to tell you. Sorry. Next, C section importance here. Use low dose techniques and proper positioning, and lead protection for patient, and minimum fluoroscopy time, and use pulse fluoroscopy, and follow Alara principle. Okay, this is the very important. See, in this my live session, if you engage my live sessions, you will get basic things, all things. You can learn all things, and you can get a confidence about the biomedical equipments. Okay, any equipment you have to go through in this way, in a practical way, and these are things not available, which is not available in the society. I'm trying to give you by using my practical experiences. Today I'm leading as a state level regional manager. Okay, right. Now come here, 19th point. See, everything, every point I have highlighted, and I'm giving. Okay, right, very clearly I'm giving. Now see here, 19th point. If not exposed, X-ray not coming. Okay, this is the very important, and this is the, if not exposing means no use of CM. Okay, because the main function is exposing the X-ray and monitoring the live cases. Understand? And save the live image. That is the main important. So that's why, see, if not exposing X-ray, then what to do? Okay, now I'm going to tell you these things. Very important thing. Okay, right. See here, check KVR MA settings. See, sometimes settings is there, console in a panel. We can see it. What are the settings are there? Because sometimes if settings wrong, then it is not working also. Okay, sometimes. See, check food switch. Food switch, what happen? Sometimes food switch connections will be get damages, and that switches will get damaged. Then you have to check it with patience. Okay, very great patience. Technically, be confident and try to check it all things, and within less time you have to finish your work. Okay, right. Next, check X-ray tube warm up, and check error messages, and check emergency button. Check cable connections. Check tube overload or heat. See, these are the, if not exposed means you have to check these points, Because of why I'm saying, because of many engineers are not aware, if anything problem comes, then what to check it, what to need, everything, these are the important. Okay, not only getting salary purpose doing job means that is not enough your life. That is no value of our life as a biomedical engineer. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, you have to provide the services and you have to diagnose clearly, and you have to repair the services, and you have to give the proper requirements to the management. Okay, right, that is the reason I'm going to give you. So these all things I have explained very clearly. Next, see here. See, these all informations I am showing you. So these all information, if I share with you normally, then you cannot understand. In practical way, if I am explaining you, definitely it is very good confidence. Yes, one person is senior is there. Okay, definitely if I go there, definitely support will be there. That time you will get a positive mind. Okay, nothing to worry. When you are touching, when you are operating the equipment, then if you have any doubt, just try to approach my channel and give me comments, sir. I am a biomedical engineer, sir. I am in front of the equipment, sir. So I could not able to do this work, sir. Please, can you advise? Then if I free, then I will see and I will give the response to your comment. Definitely, 100%. Because of this is life equipment, everyone should have a good life. Let come here 20 point emergency main purpose. So these are the questions. When you question yourself in your mind, definitely at the end of the day you will get a success in your life. Okay, right? Emergency main purpose here: immediate stop of X-ray and protect patient and staff, and avoid radiation hazard and prevent equipment damage and safeguard during fault. So emergency purpose, what happen? Sometimes what happen? Electrical fluctuations will come, and some suddenly electrical issue, electrical is of the completely department will be burned. Okay, so that time we have to focus the catch the things which part is very important, which part is main point to power off the switch. So that is the main important to focus all things. Okay, there you have to stop immediately, stop of X-ray. This one who will do? The technician will can do. That's why, see, as a biomedical engineer, you have to give the proper training to the technician, hospital, doctors. That is your great responsibility. Because of, see, whenever they are giving complaint, that is the main thing. Okay, protocol of the services here. But providing the user training means, because of that is very very important, monthly basis or weekly basis you have to engage with hospital technicians. You know very well or not, just confirm. Okay, if you don't know, try to awareness, try to make it awareness him, and try to give the information, these all things. Okay, then in emergency purpose you have to give the advice to the technician as a biomedical engineer: immediate stop of X-ray. By telecommunication also, okay, okay. Next, to protect patient and staff, avoid radiation hazard, and prevent equipment damage, and safeguard duration fall. Because of, see, X-ray is the radiation. Okay, so that's why we should be careful. Very important. Now 21 points. See here, monitor live image. See here. So these all things I'm explaining means it is very very important topic. Understand? When you go to the hospital and when you go to repair the equipment, then only you come to know the value of my live session. Okay, right. And 21 points here: monitoring live image, real time fluoroscopic image, high contrast resolution, and adjustable brightness, and image freeze save, and zoom or rotate invert, and patient dose monitoring. Okay, so these all things are different. They see image intensifier separate unit also available. Sometimes depend on company manufacturers. Sometimes we have to operate all things in console only, but sometimes what happen, depend on companies, that image intensifier separate unit also available. Okay, right. So now we are discussing about what about that, discussing about which topic, that is C arm medical equipment, that is operation theater purpose, live surgery purpose, live X-ray is going that time using. Okay, right, I hope you got it very clearly. And see here, real time hospital experiences I want to show you here. See, actually, this type of live sessions may not available in live sessions. Okay, if it's just in YouTube channel also, no other channels also not coming in this way. Because of, see, I am leading hundreds of engineers, and their juniors are there, freshers are there, technicals are there, then senior technicians are there, senior biomedical engineers are there. Okay, next technical specialists are there, next equipment specialists are there, and zonal managers are there. Okay, so by observing the complete leading as a state level regional manager, I found these all things. That's why I fixed it to give this in these all information. Because of practical way, when we assign the calls. Okay, already engineer being busy and engaged with works. That's why he cannot able to focus on their career. Okay, so that's why in this way, if I come here, definitely it is more helpful to improve their career. Okay, salary is giving standard basis depend on experience, but if I give these skills, definitely you will have a bright future more than now. Okay, that's why please try to improve your skills. Don't try to focus on other people's. Okay, right, come here. Next, easy summary. This much explanation. Easy summary is here. This is the one session of the CM. Okay, what is the what everything I have explained very well. I hope you got it very clearly. Okay. Next, the 22 points here. Easy summary. What CM is a essential in modern surgeries. Understand its parts, working and safety, regular maintenance and proper handling and correct settings ensure best image quality and patient safety. Okay. Knowledge plus care is equal to best performance. So knowledge means, see till now what I have given these all skills and knowledges whatever getting experienced by the real time experiences. That is the oral multiple years of experiences. Today I bring it and give you within 1-2 hours more information in my YouTube channel, that is live sessions. Okay, right? Come on, be active, proactive. Come on, live and engage with my sessions. So these all things I have explained very clearly. Next, we will go, okay, internal parts of the C arm. Okay. So this is the very simple way. This type of friendly nature explanation not available in your work area. So that's why I am trying to give you in this such way, because of ultimately I want to get good engineers and good performance at the end of the moment. Okay, we should we can do it. Okay, and keep in your mind, see, I can do something, you can do something, but together we can do many things. That is keep in your mind. Okay, teamwork is very important, right? Continue, please continue, engage. Now I'm going to show you one more, that is internal part of the, like, so these all preparing purpose. I have to think lot of things, so this is not an easy for to explore here, to express here. And here, this image you can see here, this is the CM complete practical technical guide. Here internal part of the CM. Actually opening part is, it is not possible in a regular time. You cannot see these all parts in your work area because of many engineers. Understand, many engineers, junior engineers, sir I am a junior, sir I don't know, sir like this if you are saying and escaping, then never you cannot learn anything. Okay, if you have a strong aim, if you have a strong ambition, then you should follow the all things, whatever I'm saying, please listen to carefully and focus on this. Okay, right, see here, here all parts I'm showing here is where, because of, see, these all points are very important to know all things. For knowledge purpose, for biomedical engineering purpose, you have to know. That's why I try to show you all things which label parts and every parts, everything you try to note in your book. Okay, right? See, nothing to worry. This live session I'm giving means it is going to record in my YouTube channel and permanently, anytime, anywhere, anyone. Okay, your wish, you can watch any there. Okay, that is the main important. And my intention is try to show you. Okay, come on, point. Now let me continue the topic. So till now, what I have explained were that those are the basic points and practical ways. What are the things that many points I have discussed with you, and engineers and whatever whoever new engineers also, please try to learn all things and try to focus all things, and don't blame others, and don't blame yours also. Okay, that's why listen to carefully what I'm saying. Keep focus. This is the technical view of the CM. When open, see, these are the rare conditions to open this equipment. Okay, that's why every point I'm going to show you. That is the reason. If I'm showing you, then you can understand, and one day you can remember my mind, remember in your mind whenever you face the equipment issues. Okay, right. Now see here very clearly. I'm showing you. See, I'm live. Okay. Now this is the internal part. This is the console part area. Okay. This is the console part where you can you find it? See here, for you purpose, without confusing, here I am giving, see here, this is the CM. Okay, this is the CM I have shown you. Here my intention is, this is the console area. Okay, this is the console area. Now open this cap. Okay, any type, any side you can open. Okay, that is depend on manufacturing company, that options will be there, and all sides you can open, and few CM equipments you cannot open all sides. Okay, right. After removing cap, how look like? See here. After removing cap, like this. Okay. Try to be serious and please focus on this image. See here, this is the console inside part of the what are the parts level very clearly mentioned. Now I'm going to read and show you. Okay. See here, first point you can see here. Here, first point what? Power supply unit. So that's why I'm saying, see, in medical equipment, if you take any medical equipment, major equipment or minor equipment, or critical equipment or non-critical equipment, there definitely electrical point will be there and electronic components also will be there. So electronic components, those are going to AC to DC converting because of their SMPS will be there. That is going to do all things functions. Okay, right. Now see here, complete CM purpose. Now I'm going to read one by one. I'm going to read if you listen my voice very clearly because of this type of instructions, this type of advice is very important. Many engineers are asking for me. Okay, that's why I come back here. Right, come here. Next second point, see here, high voltage generator. See here, second point, see here, and inverter board. See here, how look like. Next, see, these all parts I'm showing, but every part have a unique functional principles and operations are there. Okay. See, for CM equipment purpose, these all components have to work individually, disciplinary. Then only that equipment going to function. If anything spare damage, that may be not function. That is the reason I'm showing why, because these all things if I show you, then you come to know the parts and you come to know the issues, then you catch the point, then you can resolve the issues. That is the main point. Okay, right. Next here, fourth point here, main control board. Main control board, fourth one here, middle of the point. Next, here see filament transformer. Okay, filament transformer. See why I am giving these all informations. One panic, one fear about the electronic component technical field and about this one. So you have to remove your mind. Okay, and keep you in a positive way, and what are the things needed. If you focus, definitely you will get it all things. Understand, right? And next to see here capacitor bank. See here capacitor bank, which number? Sixth point. See, this is the capacitor bank. And X-ray tube connector. See here, X-ray tube seventh point where? Here, down you can see here. Okay, down you can see here, this here seventh point, that is X-ray tube connector. And cooling fan, that this, see, these are all the internal parts of the C-arm medical equipment operation theater. And cooling fan, see here, cooling fan eighth one. See, cooling fan is very very important because of, see, remove the heating. Okay, this much components are here giving electrical power, then it is functioning. Then what will happen? Depend on specification, depend on ratings of that component that going to heat. So that's why heating purpose we have to maintain the cooling fan. Okay, right. Cooling fan you have to observe. First of all, we have to when you are doing the preventive maintenance, then you have to check all things. Okay, and actually this equipment servicing purpose, juniors are not allowed, and they are not ready also. That's why one specific senior biomedical engineer only appointed and assigned, then only we give the force to the seniors. Okay, and here my intention is senior is doing, but junior you have to observe all things. Okay, because one day you have to become a senior, so that time you have to know these all things. That is the point. Okay, right. Next, line filter. See here, line filter. Next, relay board and data communication board and wiring harness. These all things are wiring. See here, these are the wiring harness will be there. Okay, so that's why I try to show you all things. That is the reason I come back here in this way. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right, whoever watched my session, whoever engaged with the session, and please give me comments the positive way, because of I am spending and I am sacrifice my time today Sunday, and which is informative to all biomedical engineers. Okay, right, this is my live sessions. Okay, right, I'm going to zoom this one. It is visible now successfully. I have shown this is the part, the console part of the inside parts. What are the components are there? See, if any, for example, if you get a complaint, common problems I have given you. So first of all, you have to check all things one by one. If you check also still not working, then you have to come to the console area. The console area you have to find out one by one. That is the reason when will get damaged, when possibilities are there. If you know these all things, then you can find out the issues and you can provide the services. That is the reason. Okay, right. Now one part is completed. Next, come here. This is the main part I'm going to show you. This is the electrical part. How look like this is going to show you in a very practical way. I'm going to show you here. See here, electrical and electronic layout. See here. These all things were available inside part here. Here only. Here compartment is different. That then you can understand. See here very clearly. Okay. I hope I'm giving very clarity information. Whoever follow my channel, subscribe my channel, whoever trying to know, definitely see in my live sessions. So don't try to keep a notes. Okay, when I'm saying try to listen and try to practice and try to get information practical way and try to be a practical man. Understand? When see, if you're listening me, so you are getting my basic things, but when you go to the hospital, when you test the equipment, when you operate the equipment, when you repair the equipment, when you open all things, then only you will get the practical knowledge, and then only you can practice technical knowledge. Okay, but for the knowledge purpose, for positive purpose, I'm giving these all things because of first of all you have to go through in this way only. So in my way of explanation, you have to catch the points and notes how to prepare them. Sir, what he explained. Ganesh sir, what explained. So like me, okay, you have to take a book and if it is possible, if you not understand one time, 10 times watch my channel. Okay, definitely my intention is you please try to catch the things properly. That is my intention. Okay. Now see here, electrical and electronic components layout. See here. So inside these all components, so what is what you have to identify for that purpose. Long video I have provided electronic master purpose. So please go to my channel and Biomedical Engineer with Ganesh and playlist will be there. Many more live sessions are there, which is important and which is necessity to all biomedical engineering services purpose. Okay, right. And first one, see here, this is one red area. This is the power supply section. Okay, this is the power supply sections. These all information is available here. That is the console inside part of the view. Okay, next high voltage sections here. Second point. So in high voltage, what are the components are there? Then you have to check it. You have to find out. Here it is completely 100% visible. But when you practical way, you have to go and don't touch anything and without power switch off. Okay. When you go inside the equipment, then you have to switch off the equipment. Okay. Main thing. It is very important. And you have to take the safety precautions and safety protocols and try to communicate with your seniors. Okay. Without senior, don't touch this equipment. Don't be over smart. Okay, right, this is my advice. Next, see here next one is here high voltage inverter, this one. Okay, high voltage inverter, this one. Next see inverter section. See, inverter section in this for see for every topic purpose we can go deeply. Okay, but in this live sessions, complete guide, basic things I try to give you. Please try to engage this channel. And next live session, I will cover one by one every topic. And my intention is 1000 plus live sessions because of in medical field, biomedical engineer field, lakhs of sessions will be conducted. But time is also very important. That much time we may not have. And everything I try to give you, whatever I learn, whatever I practice, whatever I'm leading, what I'm getting the top level categories, that time everything I'm going to escalate in the social media. Okay, so try to utilize in a positive way and try to improve your career and be good in your life. Okay, right, come on, next point. D points here, yellow points, see here. So control board section, see here, complete unity will be there. See, these all things, if you have to find out, then you have to go through step to step, one to one, very clearly. Very keen observation is very important, because of if one CM not working, okay, if you found thing major things, if something happened, then it will take time, because of those spare parts also may not available near in our state, in any state, because of those spare parts only provided by the only equipment manufacturer companies only they will provide. Okay, that's why before getting more damage, then you have to follow the instructions as a biomedical engineer, then equipment issues will be reduced and lifespan will be increased. Okay, right. And one more thing you see, if you diagnose very clearly, no problem. Otherwise, for checking this CM equipment, it takes 24 hours also will take. It takes 2 to 3 hours also take. That is depend on your capability of skills. Okay, catching the skills and diagnose the skills depend on you only. That time will be taken. My opinion is, if you know all things, if you perfect all things, then time taken process you have to take very less, because of you have to like perform many complaints are there, because of you are working as a biomedical in hospitals or company, so under management, so then per day basis many calls send you. So that's why daily you have to perform all activities. That is the reason, and that is depend on your performance. That's why you try to get these skills through my channel, and definitely you will perform within less time. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right, thank you so much, and keep watch my channel. Right, and see control board section, see here. So control board, how look like and what are they things, and I'm going to show you. And see here, input output and communication section, see here. Input output section is very important, because of load is important. The load is depend on load only, that is going to functioning the equipment. Sometimes overload will happen. Overload means what happen, electrical voltages the next to line, otherwise some high settings will be there, and some high precautions will be there, and some high requirement will be there. So that time it will be getting problem. Okay, so that's why every instruction, see through my live sessions, many informations you can watch it, you can get it, and you can perform in your work area. I hope you got it very clearly, friends. I'm talking very patience. Okay, if you are listening also, you are patience, I hope, because of these are the technical part, these are the not normal things. And here skilled person only allowed. Okay, only skilled person. That's why I try to give you skillful informations which is required to your biomedical engineering. Okay, right. Input or output and communication sections, and understand. Next, see here, cooling system section, see here. So I'm showing these all parts. See here, intense inside of the console part. See here, these all parts you have to find out, because of that's why I'm giving information means what, depend on technical error. Then what we have to check it. That is the troubleshooting. Okay. So these all things when problem come. Okay, problem, what is problem and causes, which purpose this problem come, and next solution what have to do. These things are very important. That's why I bring it these all topics as my live session. Okay, because of I am engaging 100 engineers, but that is not enough in my career. I want to improve, because of many new engineers also join in my team. That is very important, because of we are the proudful biomedical engineers in India. Okay, see like this many engineers are working in India, so that's really, I really hats up to all peoples. Okay, right. Now in this, I'm going to show you, see here, internal electrical components, see here how look like. I'm going to show you first of all in this only. See here. Actually, these are not possible to see you all things in your work area, because of mostly CM equipment may not free, because of operation theater only one CM or two CM depend on capabilities. Okay, so that time every CM is busy with engaged with different operations. Okay, so that's why you may not have time to check all things. That's why please listen and see my channel, and try to capture all things. Okay, these all things available inside the machine, then you can get awareness about the knowledge. Okay, next here, internal view electrical connections, that is the console of the CM equipment. In CM equipment technical view, this is the electrical part. What are the things important, see here. And these all things, without knowing, don't touch the equipment, because it will be get shock. But that is why electrical safety precautions very important before touch the equipment as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right. Now internal view electrical connections, see here. AC input is here. See, I'm showing for sample purpose. Okay, but these are things electrical electronic purpose. After seeing, then that sometimes what happen, these all connections will be different functions will be, they will prepare. Okay, then you have to diagnose this very clearly. And see, earthing connection is very important. Main switch is important. And see, MCBR productions and power distributions and signal connections here. Now electrical things I have shown here. This is the internal part of the electrical connections. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. So I am engaging very nice. If you are accepted my live sessions, then I will continue and will try to give you more information which is important to your life. Okay, right. Now come here, one more topic I want to show you. Internal part. This is I already have shown. This is external view of the CM. Okay. Next, internal view of the electrical sections. Okay. Next, come here, spare parts. What are the spare parts are there? Okay, come here and see here. This is I'm going to show you very clearly. Now see here, spare parts and consumables. See, for example, if you get a complaint, anything for a CM, there in these all components, all parts, anywhere will find out the issues. Okay, anywhere have a problem. Only you get the complaint from the hospital technician, CM not working. Okay, then what you have to do? Then you have to get the complaint not working. Okay, what you face the problem? You have to ask immediately. Okay, then okay, not exposing, then you have to focus there. Okay, and not locking system properly. Next, not able to see the live monitor image on the monitor. Next, they will give the like this complaint only. Okay, for that's purpose, if you know these all things, then you can analyze in yourself before attending the call. Then you can catch the things and you can give the proactive performance. Okay, right. Now see here, space and consumables I'm going to show you whenever you are going inside the part of this CM. Okay. Whenever opening time, then only you can find out, but many chances are there to open all things. That's why I'm going to show you. Okay. Right. Thank you so much and keep watch my channel. Subscribe now. Subscribe now. X-ray tubes here. Next image intensifier, how look like here. This is the internal part, so that's why that is not visible outside. And food switch, it is visible. You can watch it. See here. In food switch, if it is not working, then you have to check it and you have to open all things and then continue to check it. And if it is damages, then you have to repair and soldering and do the repair and service and instantly provide the services. Okay, right. Now see here. Now here fuses are see here how look like. Here fuses amps also it's going to high like 6 amps to 10 amps, so depend on capabilities. Then that is will be different. Okay, right. Next point I want to show you, see here, handle cover. See, and fan, cooling fan, cables. These cables are what connectors. These are the video cables are there. Okay, HDMI cables are there because of it is useful for consoling to monitor. Okay, because of monitoring when exposing the X-ray, then visible purpose it is going to use this cable. And sometimes this cable also may get issues because of they are shifting one place to another place. Sometimes it get damages, and sometimes it is continuous using, and sometimes continuous using also minor issues will become, that is going to resolved by the engineers. Okay, but here the main challenge is what? Everything no is very well fine, but you have to find out and you have to diagnose the issues. That is the challenge of the biomedical engineering. Okay, when you go through all instructions, then everything is possible. Okay, try to keep efforts in a possible way, and everything possible to me, why not possible to you? If you think like that, if you question like that, whatever I am giving the information, those things you have to question in your mind. Definitely you will get more information through my live sessions. Okay, right. This is my professional channel and this is very expensive channel also. And see here, battery UPS. So battery UPS which purpose? Because of UPS unlimited power supply. Whenever getting power supply, then suddenly if getting off, CM, any medical equipment if suddenly off, then may causes to damage the electronic components which are inside of the equipment. Because of electronic components are only DC only accepted, and AC will provide, then it will be burst, it will be damages. Okay, because of it is high voltages, high fluctuations, low voltage, low fluctuations. Sometimes also because of constantly stability is very important. That's why we have to use the battery UPS. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly, friends. Right. Filter, see here. Next, relay is a operating switch. Okay, for this every component purpose I have given the very valuable information through my live sessions before. That is master component, electronic components purpose. Please keep watch my channel and try to get the information. Okay, right. Here see, main point is I'm giving all information, means my part is section is completed, but your part is, and try to learn and try to practice and try to get the information and try to be perfect. Perfection is in your hand. Okay, what are the resources important required? I'm trying to give you in my channel, but your main concept is very important to follow the all instructions. And before that, you have to keep your one aim, one ambition is very important. Then only you can catch the all things. Okay, right. As thermal sheets here last. So these all things I have explained very clearly. Okay, right, my dear watchers and live watchers, please give me comments. Who are watching all things? And see here control panel, console and control panel, how to operate. See here very clearly. See, starting I have explained complete visual of the equipment, next parts, next practical experiences, and what are the things and how to follow. Now here come here console and control part of the CM. Okay, console top of the part. Okay, so top of the part, then display is like that. Display sometimes if you see the CM, depend on company, depend on manufacturers, that is going to be, this is the upgraded technology. That's the look like it is. We can operate the touch screen also. Okay, see control here. First of all, see here touch screen display and KVR MA settings and fluoro mode selection and image brightness or contrast, image freeze. I'm going to read. Please listen to carefully. And save or store a image and patient's data entry and system settings, error alarm, and display power or standby. See this everything. This complete unit, complete CM system depend on this console only. Okay, that's why in a practical way, what I'm giving the instructions, try to keep in your mind, and at the same time, the free time you take it and engage with the operation technician, OT, operation theater technician person. You have to contact with him, sir. When you have time, sir, please try to. I want to engage with you, sir. So one time, please show the CM operating. Sir, I'm a junior. Okay, if you are a junior, if you are senior, but anything, sir, I'm a biomedical engineer, sir, but I don't have about this concept of this CM, but I know ICU equipment, so but I don't know the about the equipment, operation theater equipment, sir. Please, could you please explain me, sir? If you ask that, definitely they will support you. Okay, how to operate and all the things, so they will advise you, and sometimes if anything problem, they will contact you also. Okay, right. This is the complete information of the CM. Okay, so multiple ways I have explained. I hope it is very very useful in your work area. Okay, right. Thank you. Next, mechanical was here. So these all things why I'm showing. Main purpose was which purpose? Because of if you get a complaint from the hospital technician in these all parts, any problem will be happen. Then you have to get the information properly and try to attend instantly and try to respond within a right way as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right. I hope you got it very friendly, yes. Right. So see, to explain, energy is important, intention is important. Okay. So that much dedication is very important. That's why I come back here to provide the valuable information. Okay. Right. So mechanical lock, see here. Lock CM and movement manually. This is the very, very important because of the this is the lock is very important. If old equipment will get complaint in this way, then you have to repair all things. If it is not possible to repair, then you have to recommend, then you replace this spare part. Okay. Don't neglect. Next points here, pedal or foot switch. Okay. Next, rotation lock. These are orbital rotation movement. This is inside part of the available. Okay, not outside. And transparent lock outside. Because of say in CM, 50% is the locking system only based mechanical. Okay. So in CM, console part is different and monitor part is different. Okay, and X-ray part is different. And here, like mechanical operating is different. So 50% mechanical is very very presence in this CM equipment. Because why I'm saying locking system is mechanical system, because of C system if moving like these positions like that 90 degrees, otherwise 75 degrees, like depend on requirement, they will keep the position like that. Okay, so for that purpose, different cases purpose, and we at what time we will use, then I will tell you. Okay, next here different upper position purpose, we have to lock it. C section you have to lock it, and here and at the same time console area also you have to lock it, wheels and complete movement also. It is fixing purpose we have to operate. Okay, when you go to the operation theater and touch the live, if you see, then you can understand very clearly. Okay, right. Now see here, monitor live image how look like. See here, sample purpose I'm showing here. Here my request is, whenever you get a complaint like CM medical equipment, then don't neglect. Okay, keep first priority. If you are a biomedical engineer, junior or senior, anything, just attend and respond. Because of this OTCM equipment, if it getting not working, then many operations are postponed. That is the major issue it will be create. Okay, That's why within fraction of moments you have to attend, respond, and give the solutions. So if it is not possible to you, then try to approach the senior and management, then escalate the informations. Okay, right. And monitoring live image here, real-time fluoroscopic image and high resolution and adjustable brightness and zoom and rotate, invert and image, freeze or save, and patient dose monitoring. See, these all things features. Okay, these all things features are that is why technology. Okay, that is why technology completely developed. That's why we can operate, we can see all things what are happening in our body while doing the surgery. That is the importance of the biomedical engineering services. Okay, as a human we have to know we should be perfect as a biomedical engineer. See, I am giving force means not only for the biomedical engineering purpose. Okay, as a human person, in our daily life we have many phases, many problems in our daily life, and whenever getting problem, then only we attend the hospital to admit purpose, to treatment purpose. So that much is important to know all things about all equipments about the human beings. Okay, because of you, human being is very important, and we are completely developed. Many things are developed. That's the reason, and multiple issues we can find out by using the multiple diagnostic equipments. Okay, right. So this is the complete explanation. Now come here, one more topic is there, I'm going to show you. And see here, typical applications. See here, at what situations CM will be used. See, who can understand, whoever medical field and whoever doctor, whoever technicians who is operating regularly, that persons only understand. And mostly where it will use CM section, orthopedic surgery. See here, orthopedic, mostly the CM using in a orthopedic department 100%. Okay, right. Next, see here, orthopedic surgery time CM using, and spine surgery like backbone of the backbone. We have backbone, so their spine. Okay, the spine surgery purpose, and pain management, and next cardiology cath lab. Okay, next urology procedures, and trauma and emergency. Okay, so first priority is ortho, next to cardiology, next urology, next to trauma and emergency. But mostly wherever required, they are using in operation theater in hospitals. Okay, this is the typical applications. This type situations CM is using because of these all things operating time live sessions capture the image, and then for that purpose they can do the procedures and they can do the perform operations. Okay, that is the reason. That is the reason the importance of the biomedical engineering. So not a small topic, because of that's why if you complete the degrees, and those are the high quality, high features are there, but that much information you should get it from the colleges. Okay, but these all informations you may not get in colleges because of real time hospital experiences they may not have. So now I am leading, I am a state regional manager, I have experience in 18 years of experiences in biomedical in the field. That's why today I am capable to give the all information. So I hope you got all things, friends. Right, these are the applications whenever using. Next, advantages. See here, advantages of the CM equipment and real-time imaging. See, this is the very important. Real-time means live. I'm giving live sessions here, I'm talking directly, I'm not going to record. Okay, after I'm doing live only like this only. There, real-time imaging means practical live and high accuracy, because of visibility is very clearly. Okay, minimal invasive and low radiation dose and better patient outcome and wild clinical applications. Okay, because of by using this CM equipment, many critical operations are successfully done by the surgeons, doctors. Okay, by using this technical updated equipment. So here, see, biomedical engineer and doctor both are equal opposition, respected designations. Okay, but we have to utilize and we have to perform in that level. Then only they will give the respect to all biomedical engineers. Okay, right. And disadvantages, see here, high initially cost. Yes, surely, because of this much opportunities are there, this much facilities are there, mean definitely it will be high. That's the reason. Okay, why I am giving you. See, if you take one medical equipment, that is cost is high. Okay, if you take treatment, the treatment is high. and if you go to the hospital, that charges will be high. So this much are high, this much is different valuable in the society. Why people are few people are not awareness about this biomedical engineering? Okay, that is the reason to provide the live session, because of if more engages will come, the more awareness is very important. And critical situation, that is COVID-19 time also very useful, this biomedical engineering field. Okay, right. Next, come here, one more topic. I'm going to end this session at the maximum 100 topic, 100 points, 100 concepts. I have given 100%. Okay. So emergency main purpose, what you have to do? Immediate imaging support and quick diagnosis and guide practical procedures, and same time in emergency support life saving inventory interventions. Okay. So these are the very important, because of, see, if having this equipment, CM medical equipment, doctor will happy, and doctor can perform excellent, and patient safety also very excellent. Understand? So these all things required, and successfully I have completed this live session, I hope. Okay, so in this my live sessions, these all things internal part of the internal view of the CM. Okay, please try to think in positive way, try to get in positive way, and communicate with me positive way. Please encourage me. Okay, whatever I'm giving, this is very typical things which is not possible in the society, right? Okay, I'm expecting only, please try to become a biomedical engineer and try to focus all things and try to be perfect. If you are perfect, then definitely you will get a good salary. And if you are getting good salary, then you can lead your family success. Okay, and then you can lead the company and a hospital. It is going to be a good reliability, sustainability maintained. Okay, right. Next point, come here. Next point, I'm going to show you here. See, actually, whatever I have fixed, everything I'm going to give you in this way. Okay. Now here I want to show you in hospital. CM in hospital complete practical guide how they are using. Because of, see, every biomedical engineer, first of all you have to know what are the basics of the equipment and how they are using the equipment and which purpose they are using the equipment, what are the applications of the equipment, and why they are giving the shunting. We are, yes sir, here equipment not working, they are, why they are fearing, because of these all things are important. You have to know all things. So little bit I want to show you. Please try to capture all things and whatever things. Okay, right. I hope this live sessions it will going to 15 minutes will be there. After 15 minutes we'll going to end this session. Okay, right. So CM in hospital complete practical guides here. Patient connection, position, operation, maintenance, and situations is very important. These all things will decide by the doctor. Okay, because of doctor will diagnosis and will consulting. Okay, will counseling the patient depend condition of the patient of the report. Then only it will be report. Okay, hospital side how they maintain, see here. This is the equipment already I show in you. If you take any company, but CM is look like in this way only. Okay, right. First of all, see here, hospital side how they maintain. First point is daily inspection and cleaning. They will do. Okay, technician have to do it, and for this purpose you have to monitor and you have to diagnose all things. Next, daily quality check it first of all. Okay. Next, mechanical check first of all. Next, these all things are how to do by the technician, operation theater technician. Okay, right. Electrical safety check and radiation safety and regular calibration if applicable. Next, prevention maintenance PM and recording keeping. So here in this point, PMS is very important. Understand? So every time, because of the try to engage with the critical equipments in hospital, because of that is the basic level of the hospital. That is DH hospital or medical hospital or district hospital or CSC, CSC, PSC, anything. Okay, because of this equipment may not available minor hospital, because of many some hospitals are they are using. Okay, depend on requirement they will use it. Right, come on. How connected the patient here? So these all informations you have to know as a biomedical engineer, because of in your work area when you are getting complaint from the hospital, then nobody there to support you and give the advice also, because of they are engaged with other operations. They are busy. That time if you communicate with your senior also have assigned many works. So that's why he cannot engage with you sometimes. Okay, but maximum try to engage with your seniors only. Definitely they will give you advice for your work. Okay, if nobody is there, then my YouTube channel will be there to support you. Okay, right. How connected the patients here? First of all, explain procedure to the patient. Okay, so we have to give the instruction to the patient also, because of what we are going to, because the patient will get panic. That's why everything, any cases, doctor, every time you observe, doctor explain, okay, we are going to do this for your body, so that this will be alert, nothing will happen. Okay, it is going. We are doing the operation which for your purpose only, and positive way we give the feed up their mind. Okay, that is very very important. Mental stability is very very important. So that is going to take care by the like hospital, like department, operation theater department in charge, and HOD, and like technicians and nursing staff, they are available in that hospital, that specialists are there, like anesthesia. So those all people are already counseling to the patient before entering into the operation theater. Okay, right. Next, explain procedure to the patient. Next, remove metallic objects from the patient, and provide lead apron and thyroidic shield. And because, see, why provide lead apron? Because of it protect from the radiation. Radiation is very very important, and see, very dangerous also. And position patient on OT procedure table. See, depend on position, it is going to keep the C position. That is depend on requirement. They will keep the degrees. Okay, how much keep degree they are available in on the console part. So here see, connect ECG monitoring if required, and IV access if contrast is planned, and verify patient identify and consent. See here. So these are the how connection. Now here successfully explain. Now patient position. See here, you can watch here. It is very clearly. So depend on surgery. These all things so doctor will decide. Okay, doctor is the main boss of these operations. That's why we pray the God, because of God is like a God. Okay, doctor is like a God. We treat it like that because of life saving situations. It is very critical conditions. Second life giving by the doctor. First life giving by the God. Right, come here, see here. I want to show here patient position, common positions, how look like. Actually, these are things not available in a practical way. That's which is not available in our real life. That is only I'm going to show you. Okay, see here, supine position, general spine, abdomen, and next lateral position, spine pain management, and prone position, like spine procedures. Next, last image see here, lithotomy position, and urology, gynecology. So that's why, see, these all things of operating purpose, technically skilled engineer is required, because of life is very important, and we should not play with our life. Life is very very important. That's why we have to be serious. That's why today I am giving the instructions which purpose, because of don't be in trouble. Okay, every engineer is our team. So that's why don't be in trouble, don't get in trouble, don't make in trouble. Okay, just try to make resolve the troubles. Okay, that is my intention, my concept is here. Now here see, next point is CM regular basis operating flow. How look like, see here, very simple. These things are very important. See, whenever you get the complaint from the hospital, then you have to follow work operating flow, how to do. Okay, first of all, you have to switch on the system start. Okay, then where to start, and where the switch is available, then you have to first of all observe all things, and you have to point out all things. Sometimes what happen, some junior engineers are there, some senior engineers are also there, they may not have idea. Okay, because of they have worked 5 years, but they don't have about this CM, because of it is a critical equipment, and they may not have idea. That situation, what happened, you got the complaint from the hospital, but those persons don't know where is the switch on mission. That is the very very important thing. That's why you have to focus what are the parts available and what are the functioning, then you have to focus. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, CM regular basis operation flow. See here, I'm sincerely I'm explaining me, sir. Today is Sunday, I'm spending, that's why please concept, this is a very important topic. And see here, CM regular basis operation, what power on system start. Next, warm up X-ray tube. Okay, see, these all regular basis working flow. If you contact the OT technician, definitely he will explain you very clearly, because of they know very well, daily basis 100 times, more than 100 times they are they are using the this equipment. That's why they have a excellent idea about this topic. Okay, right. And system check it, so functions and safety. System check it, why we are saying, because of it is completely operating like a system. There CPU will be there and monitor will be there, and CPU working or not, everything restarting time, because of sometimes if not proper shutdown, then system may get damages, understand. So that's why these all things before preventive maintenance time and regular, if you communicate with OT technician, so many problems will reduce. Why I am saying, because of this awareness is very very important to every biomedical engineer. I don't want to see as a biomedical engineer completely 8 years also he is a biomedical engineer. I'm not accept that statement. That's why I try to give this all information which is important in your day-to-day life. Okay, I hope in this live sessions, through my all live sessions, many more informations, because of 10 plus 8 18 years of experiences, I have proved, I have dedicated my life today, I have reached the top level category. Okay, so that much importance today I'm reaching means I'm not giving any wrong information, because of that much confident I have what I have practiced in my life. Okay, right, come on. Now operation flow, see here. See, I'm showing you and I am observing you and I'm giving information. Why? Because see, both are very, very important. Understand? Because of by seeing many things we can learn, and by listening many things we can learn, and by following the instructions to the seniors we can learn many things. Understand? Single way we cannot do anything. We have to depend one to one. Then see, in a biomedical engineer, teamwork only can improve the can perform multitask. Then only possible all things. Okay. If you don't have knowledge, nothing to worry. Try to engage with seniors, try to build up your team, try to approach the valuable skilled persons. Okay, right. Now see here, patient position production, these are the locking system. You have to check it all things, because of sometimes what happen that this C connection will fall down on the patient also. Okay, that is the very dangerous to injuries to the patients. Next, CM position locking, this is locking is very very important. Sometimes not locking properly, and these are the workflow. In this way, if you follow, if you take care about these all points, and coming days major problem not coming. Okay, then it is by following regular basis, then you can reduce the major complaint. Okay, right. Next, image check, a live monitor. These are all things operating by the consoling system. Okay, you have to check it in a practical way, and keep one object also. Okay, keep one object on the plate, the detector. Then you have to expose it is working or not before connect the patient. You have to check in this way. But before operating this equipment, you have to wear the lead apron. Okay, lead apron is very very important, because of it is producing radiations. X-ray radiations is very dangerous to your life, healthy life. Okay. Next, exposure fluoroscopy, and power switch, safe shutdown or not. So these all things regularly if you are doing, following, and if you give the instruction to the hospital, definitely you may not get problem in this area. Okay, why I'm saying, because of if you get a major problem in this, then you will struck and remaining performance not possible to perform your work area. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Right, thank you so much, and let me finish right now. See, I am very excited to give you, because of more engages coming. That's why I'm engaging. And now see here, more than 12 lakhs views I have achieved in my YouTube channel. That is public strength. That is my power. Okay, that's why I'm very interested to engage daily 1 hour. I have to spend. I have to give the society. Okay, right. And how to keep position, see here. I'm to show you. I'm see, this is the position, because of live position. Very, 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 very precious. Yeah, yeah. How to keep position CMC here? Locking situation, unlocking situation. How look? This is very important, because sometimes yeah, if you cannot find out, then what will happen? It is going move, and it will going to be a big damages. That is why I'm showing here. See, move CM to required position, horizontal, vertical, and angulation, and lock all breakers and lockers and before expose. See here, 360 degrees not possible. Okay, you can keep 90 degrees, or otherwise remaining degrees you can keep an angular faces, so depend on requirement. Okay, the doctor will decide. And use mechanical locks properly, and locks wheels before procedures, and check CM balance, and avoid collision with the patient's equipment. Okay, because of see collisions means sometimes equipment will moving and equipment will frictioning. Then what will happen? Because of doctor will do the procedures on bones and everything, then if it is anything movement will happen, then it will be going to injure to the patient. Okay, so that's why everything should be careful before do the functions. Okay, Right. Never move CM during procedure. Very careful. Okay. See, these are things why when happen whenever you get the complaint, for example. Okay. Suddenly you go there and you just move and if you get angry, that is very dangerous. Okay. Right. Now here, see here, sixth point here. This is the third session. Okay. Now this all explanation here. Situations where CM is used. This is very very important. Okay. As a biomedical engineer, you have to know this point. That is why I bring it for you. Okay. See here, situations where CM is used. First of all, orthopedic, fracture fixation, and nailing, and plating, and screw placement. Because of this is the live monitoring they are doing, and wherever needed, applicable, then that is very excellent job. Yes, sir. Understand? Because of orthopedic, these all operations, practical way I have faced. Many types of operations will be there, and yeah, and, hundreds of operations I have faced while doing the surgery. Doctor doing time, then beside the doctor only I stay like this, sir. I'm ready, sir. I'm a biomedical engineer. Because of if your presence there, then they will be happy. Yes, biomedical engineer. If you are performing well, then only they will happy. Otherwise, they will throw you from the operation theater. Understand? Right. Come here. Let me say a little topic only pending. I'm going to finish right now. Because of my intention is every information I want to give you. Spine surgeries here, disc procedures, and vertebroplasty and nerve blocks. So these are the terminals of the doctor type terminology. Okay. So medical terminology you don't know, but you have to know these all things. Then only doctor will engage with you. Biomedical engineers and doctors when engaged because of technical approaching and technical resolving all things, then only doctor will happy because of doctor can perform excellent. Then automatically you perform automatically. Mutual relationship will be developed. Okay. Right. See here, pain management, facet joint injection, and epidural nerve blocks. Okay, for using because of to find out the see as a biomedical engineers we are find out the parts of this component. Okay, like doctors also like a engineer. Okay, doctor also work like they are find out the parts of our body. Okay, they are find out the issues of our body by using the technical updated medical equipment. Understand? This is the very completely relations between this one. And as a biomedical engineer should know the importance of the human anatomy area. That's why in biomedical engineering, that is PSC, physiological system engineering subject, and electronic component and medical equipment. These are all things available in subject in BTech in diploma. Okay, that is the reason education time, studying time, very important to focus your studies when you are studying. If you are doing work, then you have to focus the all things. In this way, in my YouTube channel, see this is the live session. Understand? When you are complete your college, okay, you are a fresher, then you have to enter, and many types of interviews you have to face. That's the reason. So these all topics, so it is very useful to face the interviews. Okay, right. Come here. Now, CM part. That is pain situations where CM is used, and urology procedures, stone removal, and stenting, PCNL, and cardiology or cath lab, and angiography and stent placement device closure. Next, gastro procedures and ERCP. Okay, endo. Okay, and endo. This was endocrinology related purpose. Gastro means endocrinology. Okay, ERCP. Next to stenting, foreign body removal, and trauma and emergency, and fracture reductions emergency interventions. Okay, and C-section support procedures when imaging guide is required. Understand? See, completely, these all things, why CM is used? Because of CM is there, exposing X-ray, and first of all, exposing X-ray. Next point is live monitoring and live capture the image. We can see the image and we can implement the actions of the procedures. Okay, that is everything 100% useful to the doctors. Understand? Right. And key points to share communication, confirm patient details procedure, and any allergy, contrast, and previous medical history, any pain or discomfort during. These are the see. These are the common points every doctor will ask you. Okay, that is why before going to take the treatment, the doctor asking many questions are there. That is the reason to know these all things and to apply the conditions of the functions. Okay, right. Now here, see here. These are things hospital said what they are doing, how look like, that is awareness purpose I'm giving here in this live sessions. Okay, right. As exposure and imaging guidelines here, use minimum dose Alara principle, and this is doctor only will decide. And proper collimation, okay, collimation, and use last image hold and when possible, and adjust KV MA as per patient size, and avoid continuous fluoroscopy, and use pulsed and fluoroscopy mode, and check image quality before proceeding. Okay, see, these all things I'm explaining, but when you're going to practical way, it is very interesting. Understand, you should be very careful. Careful is very important, because of here what happened, minor issue also it will be create a major problem. That's why negligence very important. Negligence, you should not do negligence. You should be alert and proactive, and very activeness. Okay, very very important. Now see here, common scenarios and solutions. See here, common scenarios, because of these are things very important, the common scenarios and solutions, because of these are the very important. First of all point is, these are the like a troubleshooting. Okay, no image, what have to do? Okay, so like a troubleshooting, so no image means, so check power cable and detector settings. Okay, first thing you have to do it. These are things main important as a biomedical engineer. So these all in the many informations I have shared here, but whenever required situation, that time you have to capture the skill. Okay, right. Here see, poor image quality. What happened? Check KVR, MA and collimation detector contrast, because of sometimes high voltages will come, then it should be increased. Depend on parameter. The parameters we cannot give the proper specifications, because of the doctor will be decide. Understand, right? CM not working, not moving means check lock system and brakes obstruction. Okay, sometimes what happen, locking will problem, sometimes stacking will happen, otherwise inside locking system will be damaged. Everything you have to find out. If it is needed, immediately requirement inform to the management. Okay, if you have a spare, then immediately try to replace. And exposure not working. Okay, mostly this is the major problem, because of every time technical technicians operating per day more than 100 times of operating switch will be operated, because of that cases will be there. In one cases only, minimum 100 times we will exposure, because of depend on operation that is going to operate in position keeping in everything. This is the major activity in that area. Okay, right. Exposure not working means you have to check the foot switch. Okay, operating like exposure switch will be there. It will get damaged. Then if it is a problem, then you have to replace. It is not expensive. Okay, overheating, check cooling fan and ventilation usage time. See here, that's why in operation theater recommended AC is very important. Understand, for medical equipment purpose, mostly like a radiology equipment purpose, separator specific 22 degree is very important in that room. That's why in operation theater proper AC is very very important, because of proper AC by heating equipment, then many chances to get the damages inside part of the components. Okay, next, image flickering, and check connections power stability. Flickering is the very normal issue, because of sometimes what happen, simply moving time, and like these are the minor issue. The technical technician also can do operate all things. Okay, for your knowledge purpose, I'm going to show you these all things, and you come to know. And daily checklist, see here, quick. Immediately check what purpose checklist, power system boot. For example, if not working, immediately check these points. First of all, focus on this. Okay, you do not have any idea, and don't away from there. Okay, don't come out from there. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, you have to be responsible. If you don't know also, you have to be response, and you have to communicate with your seniors. At the end of the day, you have to give the proper informations relevant to your issue. Okay, right. Now, daily checklist, quick, what are things here? Power on system boot, and system boot means where there CPU will be there. Then you have to complete system. You have to reboot the system. Then only sometimes hanging will be there after using cases. Then many cases will be there. Then what will happen? That is sometimes happening hanging. Then you have to restart the system. Then it will be recover. Okay, right. And X-ray tube warm up and monitor image quality check, and CM movement and locks, and food switch function check, and radiation indicator check, and emergency stop button check, and UPS battery check, and cables and connector check, and collimation and light function. See, these all information this much time. Almost I have started the live session 5 o'clock. Now 6:44. Okay, it is going to 2 hours. See, this much information I'm giving means in practical way. If you want to perfect about this equipment, it is taking 1 hour, 1 year, 1 2 years it will take. Understand? That is also if you maintain properly, then only within 1 year you will be perfect in this equipment. Okay, because of whenever getting complaint, we cannot, we're not imagination. Whenever getting complaint, then only we have to operate the equipment, then only we have to resolve the issues. That is the reason experience is very important in this biomedical engineering field. Okay, right. See, engage is very important. If more engages will come, and definitely I will give you more explanation deeply, which is necessary, which is improve your skills. Okay, just keep watch my channel and listen my channel. That is very important. That's it. No more, nothing expectation from me. This. Okay, right. Now I want to show you here 11th point. See here, do's and don't do's, very very important. If any equipment, do's and don't do's. Why I'm saying? Because of do's is okay to better safety, better quality. Okay, don't do's means sometimes equipment will get damaged, otherwise sometimes you will get effect, sometimes patient will get effect, and something will be happen to danger to our healthy life. Okay, that's why I'm going to say, please listen to carefully what I'm going to give you. And do see here, always follow Alara principle. See, Alara principle purpose, that is another topic. If I give you, it will take 1 hour. Okay, let's try to keep in this point. I will give the another session. I will try to finish this one, Alara principle. Okay, next, use lead production and keep patient comfortable, and communication with the team, and log CM before use exposure, and check image before procedure, and maintain records and logs. These are the do's. Okay, what are the do's? Don't do so. Na? Do's I explained. Now I'm going to don't do's. Don't move CM during exposure, and don't bypass safety switches. Understand? Sometimes this was is happening. Okay. Sometimes what happen? Like CM operating switches will be there, that is not functioning properly. Then what will do? Then bypass will do. Bypass will do what will happen? Some that is temporarily purpose resolved, because of that spare part may not available in your office. Then what will happen? You have to get in working condition. That situations you have to do like this. But with your senior permission, you have to do it. Otherwise, don't do action. Because of it will sometimes what happens, sometimes over fluctuations will come, then it will get damage the complete equipment. Okay, that where is the situations, where is applicable, you have to find out very clearly. Okay, right. Don't bypass safety switches, and don't ignore error messages. Okay, this is very important. Ignore messages means then capture all things and take a picture all things. Okay, right. And don't exceed duty cycle, and don't expose without collimation, and don't use damaged cables. Okay, so see here, do's are where too much more than compare don'ts. Okay, that's why these do's and don't do's very important, and try to keep in your mind, and try to keep efforts, and try to give the good performance in a right way. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, we have to know the mistake and clearance. Okay, that is the troubleshooting. When problem come, why problem come, and what is the solution, that is the important. Okay, right. Now see here, patient safety precautions here. Use lead apron and thyroid shield, and keep hands away from beam, and minimize fluoroscopy time, and use proper collimation. Keep patient still when pregnancy product fetus. Okay, these are the very very important. What I have shared informations, very very excellent. Understand? Please try to coordinate, and whatever your requirement, give me comments in my YouTube channel. Definitely I will give the response your way. Okay, right. Right, I will engage right now. Wait, now I'm going to engage with comments. Okay, because of many people are engaged with my channel right now today. I'm very happy. I'm very excited to still. I want to give you more information about this topic. Okay, right. Successfully, I have achieved today. Successfully, I completed the live sessions. That is what I have given the content. Okay, that is complete guide, technical and practical. Both I have explained, shared here as yes, yes. Be confident about your. Be confident yourself. See here, well-maintained CM, accurate imaging, and safe, patient, and successful procedure. Okay. For doing the procedure purpose, CM is utilizing. Okay. We have different procedures. I have explained which situations. I hope you got it very clearly in this topic. Yes. So in this live session, many topics here. These are all things I have explained very well. So these all things giving like a image, like a PPT is like but more the giving explanation is very too much. That much time taken. That is not an easy. Okay. So as per given the statement, live session, this is CM and X-ray system. So successfully I have explained very well, I hope. Okay, right. Now I'm going to stop this showing this one. I'm going to stop this one. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Yes. See, this much time continuously I'm talking means not an easy, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, right. Now I'm trying to engage with your comments. Whoever engage, sure sir, okay, sure sir, okay, sir. If the handle stuck, what to do? PPM steps to do. Yes. You catch the point, my dear subscriber. Please listen to carefully. I'm going to give you. See, here, no need to do PMS. Understand? No need to do PMS. You have to check first of all. For this one, see, sir, if the handle stuck, what to do? Question is number one. Okay. What to do? First of all, you have to check the console area. Understand? Console area, you have to check it first of all. There, operating is properly operating or not, that keyboard functioning or not, then you have to check it first of all. Okay, it is okay, fine. It is operating also, but it is not functioning properly. That is there locking system. Then you have to check there physically, mechanically. You have to check it and try to open all things. And because sometimes what happen, like, sometimes in CM completely up will done. That is completely up. That is sometimes old machines are getting stuck and getting rusted. Understand? So that time you have to focus on main point. You have to resolve the locking system first of all. Understand? Because of by giving explanation you may not get a exact answer, because of practically you have to do it in front of the machine, then only you come to understand very easily. But I am trying to give you answer in this way. And here complete answer is, first of all you focus where is getting stuck, that is you have to find out the issues, where is the pound, then you have to catch the things and try to remove. See, before touching the equipment you have to proper gloves and everything, and proper production also important, because of mechanical it is very hard, and their operation also going, it is very product also very important. Okay, next, PMS steps do, sir. PMS not time, no, that time not do. Okay, PMS is the separate schedule will be there. Okay, that is depend on equipment, that is quarterly, half yearly and yearly. Okay, so if you are working as a biomedical engineer in a hospital or company, or depend on that one, then you have to inform to your superiors, you have to inform to the management, sir, regard this equipment calibration schedule will be there, then you have to do this. Okay, sir, how to do calibration about this equipment means, so that informations I will bring it for you, like very clearly, and live sessions another thing. Okay, here this topic is completely successful completed, and whatever you have doubt I will make another live sessions whenever free, then I will come back here to provide you valuable information. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly through my live sessions. See, it is a proud thing is what we are biomedical engineers. We are working in different states, different places, but we are engaging in this way. Understand? Without paying anything also. Understand? I'm not expecting from anyone. Only I want to engage with all people. That's why I come back here. Okay, right? Okay, PMS as per schedule you have to do it, because of whenever getting complaint, then no need to PMS. But you after providing services, you have to check all things, all operations, because of you got the only lock system complaint. After this, if it is working fine, then you have to check all things one by one. Okay, because upcoming days, if any problem will come, that's why if you find out all things very clearly, then technician, if you contact with you, definitely will support you. Understand? Right. What is pulsed fluoroscopy? Yes, this is the right question. See, in this very clearly explained here. Please give watch my channel. Okay, there are many informations I have shown here and these live sessions. Please, starting to ending, if you watch my complete video live session, definitely will catch the point. Okay, that my suspense is very important. Understand? If everything I'm going to explain all things, so that's why I have taken 2 hours for this live session purpose, because of this is the critical equipment. This is very, 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 very precious equipment. Okay, right. So if you have anything, please comment me and give me comments in positive way, because of I'm thinking about all people's in positive way, because of I'm not trying to engage, I'm not trying to entertain anyone about him. Okay, right. Successfully I have completed the live sessions, that is CM equipment medical operations department. So many information, so you got it very clearly through my live sessions. I hope it. Again, I'm your Ganesh, State Regional Manager. I'm very proud of myself because of whatever I'm showing, whatever I'm giving instructions, everything real time explanations. Because of basic, I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, right? Keep in your mind and try to engage with my live sessions. And every day, try to engage with my live sessions. And tomorrow also, I will come back. And one more topic, that is suspense, I will give you. Okay, today evening, I will give you information in my post. Definitely, will catch it and get the information without paying anything. Okay, right. Now I'm waiting. If you have any doubt, please give me. Because see, single point, if I give the answer, that is not a proper way, you will not understand. That's why I will take a proper concept, then everything pin to pin. If I explain, then everything will get it all things. Understand? Right. Right. Give me comment how you feel like that. Who given? Okay. Very good information, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See, in which way I'm explanation, but when I was a biomedical engineer time, then practically I went there and per day 40 to 50 calls attended and resolved the issues by use our hands and skills like that. Okay, so that is the very very important, my dear friends. If you want to communicate here give me comment and we can chat here. Because of if I end the session, then you may not give the chatting live chat. You can give the comment also, no problem. Are you interested? Are you happy in this live session? Please give me reply. Whoever engaged with my live session, then I will be happy because of I have sacrificed my 2 hours in my Sunday. That is my personal life. But here also I'm interacting with you all professional way because of these all informations. Professional purpose only very using. Thank you, my dear subscribers. And in this way, see if you people more engagement will give me, then definitely understand 1000 more than 1000 topics I will try to provide. Already 100 topics completed. If you check my YouTube channel, okay, Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh, understand? So here is the real practical explanations available, and many engineers are available in the society. So I'm not giving any comments about other people's because of every is respect and responsible. Because of every dedication is very important, every experience is very important. Understand? So till now I explained all things in a practical way. Now I want to give you very valuable topic, that is as a biomedical engineer. Today I am a state level regional manager, but my basic ground is biomedical engineer. Okay, as a senior biomedical engineer, I am going to give you, that is, please, okay, please keep awareness and be confident, and be confident about your work, and be proactive first of all. Okay, don't neglect any complaint whenever you received, and whenever I send the complaint, those things please try to attend within 24 hours and try to resolve. That is one thing. Okay, and next one is what I'm going to say. And if you want to learn in this way, what I'm giving instructions, whatever things I'm providing you in my live sessions, please try to catch the things. Understand? Catch the things and what are the important things, and try to think and get in a positive way, and focus on good things. Understand? And for example, take one paper and write about yourself, and sir, I'm a biomedical engineer. So no need to say anyone, but perfection purpose, and personally you can write yourself. Okay, so I'm a biomedical engineer, I have experience 1 year, so I know these points, I know these points. Okay, right, still I have to learn. Because of senior why getting high salary, junior I'm not getting that much salary. So which purpose you have to understand. Okay, try to engage. Okay, my advice, understand, because of these are the very important to know the all things. I hope. Yes, it's very important, my dear subscribers. And see, coming days, more engagement I need. For that purpose, what I have to do, tell me, and whatever your requirements, give me comments in my live sessions. And wherever you're not possible to get it things, sir, I'm a biomedical engineer, sir, but I'm not possible to get things, sir, because of these are things I faces, sir. That is our confidential, sir. I cannot share things, but I need to know the all information, sir. If you give the comment like that, definitely I will be there to support you as a professional skilled biomedical engineer. Okay, right. Thank you so much. Have a bright future. Until now, engage me. And again, I should be gratitude. 12 lakhs views. It's a miracle, yeah, and still it is growing means more people are engaging, so I have to be more intention and I have to be more like more plannings. That's why I have prepared a monthly basis content, definitely without paying anything. You try to engage and get the information, sir. If you whenever you get anything any complaints, any points, then give me comments. I will take it positive. I will try to give in a positive way. Understand? Right. Next, thank you so much. Ah, what I have to say, everything I have discussed, everything. And now I'm going to end this session. Jai Hind. Thank you so much. You watch my channel, engage with my channel, and share with your friends, and try to become a professional biomedical engineer. Okay? Right. Jai Hind.